Hey everyone, it's Molly. Today we are making ambrosia salad with Cool Whip, or this generic Cool Whip. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I will make sure to put this recipe for you down below in the description box so you'll have it. And Dan requested that I make ambrosia salad, and he had a really particular one in mind. So I actually got this recipe from a website that kind of was close to the kind of ambrosia salad he had as a kid. So that's why we're making this particular one. So I just added some vanilla yogurt to this Cool Whip, and then you mix that together. This is pretty quick and easy. It goes together pretty fast. Okay, so now that your Cool Whip and yogurt are mixed, we're gonna add the rest of our ingredients. So we're going to add our maraschino cherries, and you can chop those if you want, but Dan didn't want them chopped, and our crushed pineapple, our mandarin oranges, and it says half a cup of chopped pecans, you could really put whatever you wanted in this. Every recipe I looked at for ambrosia salad just was kind of different, so it seems like you could really just put your favorite things in. This is sweetened shredded coconut, so that's going in next. I'm just going to eyeball that. We want about a cup. Okay, and then we want, the last ingredient is, oh my gosh, I can't open this. I'm just going to add the rest of the bag of these fruit-flavored mini marshmallows. But Dan swears by this. All right. Wow, this makes a lot. I did not grow up eating ambrosia salad. My mom didn't make stuff like this, even though she's from the Midwest. So I understand that these are popular in the Midwest, at least that's what I've always heard, but I didn't grow up eating them. And you just want to gently fold in the rest of your ingredients. And it's very pretty, it's very colorful. These colors remind me of Easter. Just all the pastels with the fruit and the marshmallows. And again, really customizable. You can basically put whatever you want in this. Okay, so it says to chill before serving, but it doesn't say how long. So I think I'm just gonna pop this into a Tupperware, and I'm gonna stick it in the fridge and help Dan clean out the cars, and then when we're done, we'll taste this. It smells good. I have high hopes. All right, ambrosia salad with Cool Whip. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Well, lucky you guys, I have to do a voiceover because my microphone, which you can see down there, decided not to pick up any audio. I'm having constant problems with microphones lately, but as you can see, Dan and I are taste testing this, and I have to say it was delicious. He says this tasted exactly how he remembered it, and it was creamy and fruity and just a perfect right amount of chew from the pecans. And I was really hesitant about the yogurt in this recipe, but the yogurt really lended just a nice tang that cut through all the sweetness. I think it would have been too sweet without it. So the yogurt was definitely an excellent touch. And as you can see, we just keep eating it. It was really, really good. So I really recommend this recipe. I think it's perfect for if you want to make an ambrosia salad. This is a really good one to go with. You could add whatever you want to this. It doesn't have to be what we used, but I think what we used was really good. I think next time I'll cut up the cherries so that we have more pieces of those dispersed, and rather than just the big chunks of them. But other than that, yeah, this was great. We really liked it, and I will again post the website that I got this recipe from down below. And I hope you guys enjoyed this, and please, if you make this, let me know what you think of it. I would love to hear your thoughts on this, and if you guys want to see more vintage recipes like this ambrosia salad, then please subscribe and hit the like button. And Dan and I are always taste testing vintage recipes. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video.